here's the homepage for our project website. So here up top, we have all of the links to the pages. So we have the About Us page and all of the model pages. And this button right here will just take you to the food resources page. And down here, we also have quick links to all of the pages as well. And here on the About Us page, we have our project problem and the data sources we used and the tools that we used and all of our group members. And we also have a global search that you can use to search through all of the models. So for example, if I put Target in, it'll search through all of the models and find anything that has Target in its name. And you can also click on the tab so you can be taken to the page for that instance.
So for the Food Desert model page, you can see where food desert tracks are all across Texas. So each food desert card displays the county where it's in, the map of the food desert, as well as some basic stats. You can filter by the county the food desert's in, you can sort by the distance to you, the name of the county, and you can filter by the type, whether it's in a rural or urban area. So let's say we just want to look at rural food deserts. You can sort by that and click into the card. And once we're in the card, we'll see Google Maps API for the food desert. So you can drag this around and move around. You can see some more advanced stats. The nearest service provider and the nearest food desert, if you happen to live in this food desert, as well as a metric of the danger level of this food desert.
Here on the Food Resources tab, you'll find a page for discovering all the food resources on this website. You can go through all the entries using the buttons below, or you can search for the specific food resource by the name as well as the city, which will filter out based on the name that you provided as well as the city. You can additionally filter by the type, such as grocery stores, convenience stores, as well as gas station. You can also sort by the name, either from alphabetical order or the rating from highest to lowest. Once you get the food resource you want, you can click on it where you get a page dedicated to more specific information about the entry, as well as the nearest service provider and nearest food desert.
The service providers page is set up similar to the other two model pages. We have a 3x3 grid of cards and pagination support at the bottom. Each card shows the hours, address, website, phone, and benefits that you can have at the locations. You can search by name, sort by distance, name, or county, filter by county, and filter by if it's a government program or not. If we were to search for pregnancy, we see these 4 cards appear. We can sort by what is the closest to us. We see that the one in Breno, Texas is the one closest to us. We can search for Travis County. None of them are in Travis County, so we get rid of that filter. We can say which of them are third-party programs. All the same 4 are. We can click into the first one, see its address, what county it's in, the hours, the contact information, as well as the closest food desert, closest food resource, and where it is on the map.
Well, the other visualization page, we have first a food resources by category pie chart, as you can see here. Then we have a service provider distribution map, which is a geoscatter plot with locations. Lastly, we have the food desert income distribution histogram, as you can see here. And for the critique, I think we did good on the UI as well as the API, and we didn't do good when it comes to time management. For the developers, we made a water project by type pie chart, as you can see here. And then we also have the community profiles histogram. Lastly, we have another histogram that's contributors by category. And our critiques are that they did a good job with APIs and some future implementations.